Good afternoon, sir. I am Kyla Janelle M. Katakutan po from Guagua National Colleges, and I will be your student nurse for today po. So, sir, just for verification lang po, may I know your full name po?
Marlon Camposano.
Marlon Camposano. Your age and the date of your birth po?
June 22, 2006, 18 years old.
Okay, sir, may I know what, ano pong prefer nyong language?
Taglish na lang.
Taglish na lang po. Okay. So, sir, before we start po, I am going to give you a quick briefing on what we are about to do. So, I will be assessing your skin, your hair, and your nails po. And for me to be able to do that, I will be needing to touch you in certain parts of your body po. So, do I have your consent po on that? Okay, thank you po. So, also, rest assured po na yung data na madadocument namin will remain confidential po okay. Okay. So, first po is I'm going to collect your subjective data po, no?
Okay.
Your current symptoms po. Okay, so you have any skin problem po?
Skin asthma.
Skin asthma po. Since when po kayo may skin asthma?
Since birth na.
Since birth na po. Okay po. So, may sugat po ba kayo ngayon?
Wala naman.
Wala naman po. Okay. Any feeling changes po? Like, pananakit po, itching, pangangati, and tingling po?
Wala.
Any pressure po? Wala naman. Are you experiencing hair loss po? Naman? Hindi naman po. Any nail changes po? Wala naman. Any problems with body odor po? Wala naman. Okay, sir. So, sa past health history naman po, do you have any previous problem with your skin, your hair, and your nails po? Anything that includes any treatment or surgeries po? Wala naman. Okay. Do you have any allergies po? Saan po, sir?
Sa mga malalansang pagkain.
Okay. So, sa family history naman po, anyone po sa family nyo na may skin problems po?
Si mother ko.
Mother niya po. Are you always exposed to sun or any chemicals po ba, sir? Hindi naman. Any daily care of skin, hair, and nails po?
Sa skin ko yung lotion.
Lotion po. Anong type of lotion po?
Yung CeraVax.
Hydrating lotion po ba? May diet po ba kayo or exercise pattern?
Yes.
Ano? May I know what po? Ano po?
Yung protein. Pero except sa mga malalansang pagkain.
Okay. So, yun lang po yung sa interview natin, and I will be proceeding na po sa physical assessment with your skin, hair, and nails po. So, next naman po, sir, magpo-proceed na po tayo sa physical assessment. Since na-explain ko na po sa inyo yung procedure kanina, I'm just going to give you a hospital gown po for you to change. And I will just be closing the windows po for some privacy. And after you're done, sir, I'm just going to perform a hand hygiene po. And then, I'm just going to wear some gloves po before we start. Sorry for waiting, sir. And now naman po, I am going to look or touch your skin po. I am going to touch you po to inspect for your skin po. Thank you po. Kabila po. Thank you po. And now naman po, I'm going to palpate your skin po for any dryness or ano po na skin niya. Thank you po. Kapilangin na po. Thank you po. Now naman po, I am going to pinch your arm po. No? Thank you po. Thank you po. Next po, I am just going to remove half of my gloves po. No? And ipapalpate ko lang po yung skin temperature ninyo. Excuse me po. May I request you po to do this po? Thank you po. Okay, thank you po, sir. And now, I'm just going to check for ano po, edema po. Sir, may I request for your weight? Thank you po. Thank you po. So, upon assessing the patient's skin po, I've noticed that the patient's skin color is in mid-brown, and I've also noticed quite few moles po sa bandang may arm niya. Also, there's no skin breakdowns and present lesion naman po. Although, may konting roughness po akong na-feel here sa bandang may arm ni patient. And na-notice ko rin po na medyo dry po yung skin ni patient dito sa may bandang arm niya. His skin naman po is warm to touch naman po, and there's no present edema naman po. So, sir, proceed na po tayo sa hair assessment po. So, use lang po ako ng pen light. Sir. Now po, sir, palpate lang po ako to feel any lesions po or kung may bukol po kayo. Thank you, sir. Sa hair niya naman po, I've noticed that the client's hair color po is in black po, and the amount or the distribution naman po, evenly distributed naman po yung hair ni client, and there's no present lesions naman po and parasites sa hair ni client. So, proceed naman po tayo sa nails, sir. So, may I... yes po. At the same time po, ipapapait ko na po sila. Thank you po. So, upon inspecting po the nails of the patient's nails po, I've noticed that they are clean and groomed well naman po, well groomed naman po. And for the color naman po is it's in pinkish color po, which means that the patient's nail is healthy po and in good shape naman po. And sa markings naman po, there are no markings present naman po. And for the shape naman po, I've noticed that the client's nail is in oval shape po. And for the texture and consistency, the texture naman po is smooth, and consistency naman po is it's normal naman po. I did not notice any breaking po, and it's not as brittle as it looks naman po. And for the capillary refill, sir, I'm just going to pinch your nail po. For the capillary feel of the patient naman po, I've noticed that the color or bumalik naman po yung pinkish na kulay niya in 1 to 2 seconds po. So that's it, sir. Thank you po for consulting po, and that's all po. Thank you.